Hello and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make Domination in Fortnite Creative. Anyways, let's just quickly demonstrate. So you can see that there is a flag here, and you just go up to here and you can see it will take 10 seconds for it to claim. And now that you've claimed it, you will get score every 5 seconds, and you have 10 minutes for this. And if you went out of the zone and another team started capturing it, then it will go down in 5 seconds and then it will claim it, and then that team will have it. And it's basically just a fight to the death for this. I'm just going to be showing you how you can have this zone where every 5 seconds whoever owns it gets the point. So anyways, let's just show you how to do that. So first of all, you don't need this flag. I just have it here because it looks nice with it, but let's go into this capture area and let's do these settings. So for accent color, you want to set it to team color. Capture radius, 2 tiles. Item visible in game, off. Consume item on scoring, no. Consume item when dropped, no. Periodic scoring owning team. Periodic scoring time, 5 seconds. Can be captured by team all. Control time, 10 seconds. Neutralize time, 5 seconds. Take control fast while emoting, 1.5 times. Partial progress decay speed, 200%. Hood elements, badge, requires line of sight, no. Hide hood icon at 500 meters, and then whatever icon identifier you want. And now let's just quickly show you what game settings you'll need. So go to your island to go to game. And then we'll set max players and teams to 2. Set time limit to 10 seconds, and then score to end to 200. Set the UI HUD info type to score. The win condition eliminations, tiebreaker 1 assists, tiebreaker 2 eliminate. And there you go. That's how you can make a Domination just like Call of Duty. And anyways, if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like and comment to leave your feedback if you want. And if you want to support me, then please subscribe. If you want to be the first to be notified when I upload, then please turn on post notifications. And peace.